Butter butter is the name of the dance we do down Johannesburg way.
While we're waiting for that, we get the garnishes ready. Okay. As soon as I can find a small pan. So, small pan on the heat. Bring it up to temperature. Splash of oil again. Okay. And what we're going to do is we're going to cook this cauliflower steak, this little one. Okay, in the pan. Just keep nice color on both sides and then keep it warm. It'll cook through so quickly. If you are doing a big one, color both sides, salt and pepper, roast it in the oven. Beautiful, beautiful. And then you can make the salad that I'm going to make with it. You can put that on extra. Okay. So basically, when you heat up the pan, you're going to give the little cauliflower steak a little color on the side, on the outsides. Okay. And then that's basically then ready. This is just smelling super duper. All right, let's go. Let's make the other garnish. Let's just make sure that video is still recording. Let's make the other garnish. So, cauliflower steak, that's going to go into the pan. There we go, going nicely. Just remember to season it. Beautiful. Okay, now, salad. Grapefruit. Fennel bulb. Bit of lemon, coriander, and some peanuts. Okay, very simple. Very, very simple. Keep stirring the pot. Please keep watching the ingredients. You have now got 4 different things on the go. Okay? But don't panic. As long as everything is in its place, you're not going to have any issues. Okay. Beautiful. That's ready. Cauliflower steak's going nicely. Cauliflower's not roasting yet. Okay, so just a quick thing here. Peeling of a fruit, generally speaking. So let's talk citrus fruit. Okay. Cut off the top ends. Alright. Put those one side. And then follow the shape of the fruit. Okay, like that. Beautiful. Then what you do, you see where that white line is, that pith where it runs, follow that line again. Okay, and then follow the next line. And the next. And the next. So you just keep following that line so that you don't waste any of the grapefruit. Alright. Beautiful. And then what we're going to do is we're going to cut some segments. Okay, I don't have to cut the whole thing. Okay, so just look how beautiful that is. Okay, into the bowl. Just going to cut 2 or 3 segments just for one little salad. Okay, there. Beautiful. Oh, spectacular. All right, 4 little segments. Into that, let's turn the. Look at that beautiful color on there. See that? It's very hot. Don't do that at home, kids. Oh, yes. Oh, yes. There we go. So, in the bowl, we have little grapefruit segments. We are going to add thinly sliced fennel bulb, thin. It's getting very hot. Okay, look at that. See that thinly sliced fennel bulb? Beautiful. I'll show you now in the bowl. Okay, lovely. You can buy that at your local grocer. All right. So now that you've cauliflowered the sides of the color, now that you've colored the sides of the cauliflower, just turn the pan off. Leave it in the pan. It's going to cook further anyway. Okay. Magic. Right. Coriander. Don't be shy with coriander. Remember, you've got that turmeric, okay, in there. So Oh yes. And a couple of peanuts. Can't wait for lunch. Okay. So many people ask, Dave, how do you come up with all these ideas? I'm a professional, folks. If I didn't come up with ideas, I would have a problem. We get inspired by the internet, we get inspired by books, and as long as we're not copying, as long as we're using it as inspiration, absolutely nothing wrong with that. I have no idea where I've seen this. Can't say that I have. Okay, so in the bowl, we have peanuts, grapefruit, fennel, coriander. Beautiful. We're going to splash salt, olive oil. We're not going to put vinegar. What we're going to do is we're going to squeeze a little bit of this grapefruit juice. Put some of the grapefruit juice in there from the juice, from the things, yeah? Okay. Take that away. Peanuts away. And there you go. Your salad is ready. Now just think. Hot soup, cold crispy salad, peanut, turmeric, and then add on the side a gourmet sandwich of pita bread and camembert cheese. Okay, we're back. So the okay, we're back. Cauliflower is ready. Nicely roasted. Into that pan. Beautiful. Into that. You just cover. Ah, that's what we said. Just going to add a splash of wine just to deglaze it. Just to loosen those sides. You don't have to do this. You can use a bit of water. It doesn't really matter. Okay. Just reduce that down before you add your the stock or the water to it. Just turn it down. Fennel is broken up beautifully. Oh, beautiful roasted flavors. You can just have a look there very quickly. Nice. Got a bit of color. And I'm just going to cover that just with your stock. Just cover it. All right. Remember with a soup, you can't take the liquid out. You can't make it thinner. Okay. Sorry. You can't make it thicker, but you can make it thinner. So put less on the side of caution. Put less stock. Okay. Put less stock. Because you can always add more later once you've blended it. Okay. Now, just put I'll show you the inside of that. Okay. Look how beautiful that is. All right. Put the lid on sort of halfway. Just let it evaporate, and we're going to wait till that's done. We'll blend it, and then we'll quickly plate it, and voila, soup for the weekend. Start off with just a little bit of seasoning, not too much, okay? Because you can season. What we're going to do is we're going to blend it. We'll put it back into the pot, and then we'll check it for seasoning. Seisonering, that's what they call it in Afrikaans. Seisonering. It's going to be seisoneren. All right. Leave the pot there. We'll return it to the pot. Be rather safe than sorry. Rinse it out. Beautiful. Back on with the heat. Check seasoning for the last time. Touch more salt. Squeeze of lemon. delicious. All we have to do now is serve. What you can do at this stage, okay, what I might do is just sneak a little bit of sour cream into that, but we'll do that while you're not watching. Oh, sweet Lord. We are about to serve. We have the soup. We have our receptacle. We're going very extravagant today. We brought out Gran's finest crockery for the special occasion. Yes, sirree. Okay, so just so we've got in at the moment is the soup, the cauliflower. We're going to put the salad, and then we have this. Okay, so just like that. Salad. We're going very grand today. Peanut, salad. And then just a little brekkie on the side there. Maybe another little one. Oh my God. Guys, look at this. Yes, this is redonkulous. Thanks for watching. Happy Saturday, everybody. Hey everybody, thanks for watching the video. You might wonder what we are doing on YouTube and why we got this channel. And as you see, all of this happened during lockdown. COVID-19 is where this YouTube channel started, and one of the big things for me was to during this lockdown period, and especially being in the hospitality industry and owning a restaurant, was to be able to look after my team and my staff. And basically we have taken my book, Mile 8, and all the sales and all the proceeds to the book, or from the book, go to our staff fund, which is pretty special. So you can go to the Marble website and you can purchase your book there. And I think that's just really where we are with this channel as well. I think whatever money is raised from this channel, obviously we need to cover for production costs and so forth of the channel itself, but majority of the proceeds will also then go to a fund, and that fund is going to be ongoing it'll be ongoing after COVID and everything else, because I think one of the biggest things that we realize is how vulnerable ourselves and our staff become in situations like this. So thanks so much for watching. I really appreciate it. Tune in for the next one. Cheers, guys.